Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video that almost everyone else is doing on YouTube right now because it is that time of the year. I'm going to be showing you guys my Black Friday haul for 2018. Even though a bunch of people are already doing this, I got some really cool things that I want to show you guys, so I decided to do this as well. I know that it is Wednesday and Black Friday was on Friday, and it was like 5 days ago. I have a special announcement that next week I'm planning to start Christmas and holiday videos for you guys because I really like making those, but first I just want to do a few more fall time things. So that is why I'm doing this on Wednesday, so I just don't mess up my schedule on uploading. You guys stay tuned for bloopers at the end of the video too, because there is a lot when we made this video, so make sure that you stay to the end of the video. And before I get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like these videos, and subscribe down below for awesome holiday content like 25 days of DIY. If you guys haven't watched those yet, make sure that you go and watch a few of them from last year. The link will be in the eye in the corner or down in the description. And let's just get on into the haul. Let's go! Okay guys, so the first place that we went to was Bath & Body Works. And I got a lot of things there because I had a great deal and I love candles and things like that. Vanilla bean lotion because I think it smelled really good. Basically all these things I thought smelled really good, and I just totally, even though I didn't need another lotion, I got it anyways. I also got Frosted Coconut Snowball body wash or shower gel. Then I got this really cute owl wallflower thing. I had one of these but then it broke, so I got another one that has an owl on it. And to go along with that, I got this blueberry sugar little thing that you plug into it and it makes it smell really good, and I really like the smell of these. The next thing that we got were a bunch of candles. So we got Ice Vanilla Woods, and the packaging is really cute on these. I know that you can't see it because the lighting's really weird. We also got Merry Cookie, which has a little sweater on the outside. And then the last two things that we got were Winterberry Wonder, which I've gotten before, and this is just a fragrance mist, and then I got a Snowy Morning Lotion. And that is all from Bath & Body Works. The next store that we went to was Vans. Even though I don't like pink very much, I really like this color, and it's just like this nice sweater because I love sweaters during the holidays. A few beanies. I got this black beanie, and then I also got this pink beanie going along with the pink theme. Then I got the most awesome thing that I think I've gotten in a while because, okay, so I had a pair of Vans, but they are totally kind of broken and like worn and they're all muddy and stuff. So I got a new pair. It's been about a year since I got my other ones, so I decided to get these ones, and they're the cutest color ever. They are this nice pinky purple color, and I really like it, and I think it's really cute. And also, if you guys didn't know, this is actually a sticker, and I'm definitely going to put this on my water bottle because I love stickers. And that is all from Vans. Next, we went to Hot Topic and Box Lunch, which are two stores in the mall that are super cute and have a bunch of anime stuff and just kind of all around fun things and things that I love. And so first, I got this Mabel sweater from Gravity Falls, Hogwarts sweater, and then I got this Totoro Christmas sweater because I love Totoro so much, and also it's really soft. Then I just got a few shirts. And all these have Studio Ghibli characters on it, and if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like this anime Japanese kind of movies. They're pretty good. And so it has characters like Totoro and Ponyo and things like that, and so I got bigger shirts because I had these, but they didn't fit me anymore. The last thing that I got from Hot Topic and Box Lunch was this Totoro hat, and I think it is really cute, and also I really like the style of it. Okay, the last place that we went to was Mind Games, and this store is really fun, and it had a bunch of different gadgets and games and stuff like that, so I decided to get some games. I got the game Codenames because we had this game, but it was Harry Potter themed, and so I decided to get this. Then we had the game Exploding Kittens, but I lost it, so we got it again. And this game is super fun, so if you really want a game that you can play with your family or with your friends, this is definitely a game that I recommend because it's so much fun. And then the final thing that I got in this haul was, my brother and I were going to share this Harry Potter advent calendar because we love doing advent calendars in the holidays, and this one was Harry Potter themed and so cute, so we decided to get this one, and that is the last thing from our haul. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, and also there are bloopers right after this. Make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss 25 days of DIY or any of my holiday videos. And also I appreciate everyone who subscribes, so please do that and comment down below and I will be replying to your comments. And thank you guys so much. Let's get on into the bloopers. All this stuff is behind me. The first thing that I got was this. Also got Frosted Coconut Snowball Focus. Focus. Gotta wrap these up. Ah, this thing won't focus. Oh my gosh. This is annoying. I think it's like a free. What is this? Okay. What is this? It's probably like a free thing, but what is it? Oh, I think it's just a bag that you can. I don't even know what this is. It's like really weird. Oh.